Hello friends, we have very interesting question from JMN 2019 paper. We have to integrate sine of 5x by 2 by sine of x by 2. When you read this question in the exam, what is the first thought that will come into mind? We have to use trigonometric formula, right? And there are plenty of formulas to be used. So to get a better idea, let's read the option also, right? In the J mains you read the option also, isn't it? So when you observe this four options, you realize all options have x, sin x and sin 2x. That very moment you realize that you have to integrate 1 to get x, you have to integrate cos x to get sin x, and you have to integrate cos 2x to somehow get sin 2x. But angle in the numerator at present is 5x by 2 and angle in the denominator is x by 2. So some of these angles need to be adjusted very nicely, right? Also you realize that we need to get rid of denominator somehow. Sin x by 2 have to go out, right? So let's focus on sin x by 2. What we can do with sin x by 2 here? Sin x by 2, can we apply some formula here? If you realize, I just multiply by 2 cos x by 2, and what is 2 sin x by 2 cos x by 2? 2 sin x by 2 cos x by 2 is sin x. We have to apply same thing in the numerator also. So sine of 5x by 2 will be multiplied by 2 cos x by 2. Basically I am multiplying and dividing by 2 cos x by 2 to take the problem further. So in the numerator you will realize that there is 2 sin A cos B concept will be used. What is 2 sin A cos B? Sine of A plus B plus sine of A minus B. Here A is 5x by 2 and B is x by 2. So A plus B, 5x by 2 plus x by 2, 6x by 2 will give you 3x, and A minus B, 5x by 2 minus x by 2, 4x by 2 will give you 2x. So applying that formula, 2 sin A cos B formula, we get sine A plus B. So here we get sine 3x plus A minus B. If we apply, we get sine 2x. So we get sine 3x plus sine 2x by sine x. Now this very moment, most of you will be able to think that it's better to apply the formula for sine 3x and sine 2x, right? Do you remember the formula for sine 3x and sine 2x? What is the formula for sine 3x and sine 2x? So formula for sine 3x is 3 times sine x minus 4 times sine cube x. Here S stands for sine x. And what is the formula for sine 2x? Sine 2x is 2 times sine x cos x, right? Now everywhere we will divide by sine x. So let's everywhere I'm just dividing by sine x. Sine x is getting cancelled here. Sine x is getting cancelled here. Sine cube x upon sine x will give me sine square x, right? So we get 3 minus 4 sine square x plus 2 cos x. So we got 2 cos x. Now we need cos 2x also. So that very moment you realize that is there any formula which can help me to convert sine square x into cos of something, cos of 2x something. So what is that formula? So most of you have to think this very quickly, that 4 times sine square x, better to write 2 times 2 sine square x, and 2 sine square x can be written as 1 minus cos 2x. Now this trigonometric thing which we are using from 2 sine square x to 1 minus cos 2x, that have to be learned very nicely. This concept is used very frequently in the exams. 3 minus and this as it is. So if you open this bracket, what you get? You get 3 minus, there is 2 here. So you open the bracket, this is minus 2 and this is plus 2 cos 2x, and this plus 2 cos x as it is. So if you just simplify this, 3 minus 2 will be 1, plus I am writing 2 cos x first, 2 cos x plus 2 times cos 2x. Now you realize that actually we need to integrate this, right? We need to integrate 1 plus cos x plus 2 cos x, and we got the answer, right? Bingo. So integration of 1 is x, integration of cos x will be sin x, and integration of cos 2x will be sin 2x by 2, and this 2 is getting cancelled. So we have x plus 2 sin x plus sin of 2x plus c, and that's nothing but my option number C, right? X plus 2 sin x plus sin 2x plus c. Very easy question, but lot of trigonometry to be used, and you have to think very quickly to solve this question, you have to have good mastery over trigonometry, but it's not difficult. All the concepts we have used is regularly used in the board, but here 3-4 concepts coming together, and the most interesting step is the first step here, that is multiplying and dividing by 2 cos x by 2. If you can think of this thing quickly in the exam, you will be able to solve this very quickly in the JEE papers. This kind of question obviously, but easy hai. Make sure you learn it in a right way.